In this problem, we're told we have a Norman window, which is a window that has a rectangular, say, bottom and a top, which is a semicircle. So I'm going to say that the length and width of my rectangles are x and y, which means the diameter of my semicircle is also x. So I'm told that the perimeter of this window is 10, and that means that that has to equal x plus 2y, the portion of the window that's on the rectangle, plus 1/2 pi x, the circumference of that semicircle. And I can solve this for y. It gets kind of messy, but if I were to solve this for y, I would have 10 minus x minus pi over 2x equals 2y. So y in terms of x is 5 minus 1/2 x minus 1/4 pi x. I'm just going to leave it like that. Now we want to know something about area. So the area of this window would be equal to x times y, the area of the rectangle, plus the area of that semicircle. The area of a circle is pi r squared, so this would be 1/2 pi. The radius is half of x, so x over 2 squared. And I can get this in terms of x by making my substitution. So my area is equal to x times 5 minus 1/2 x minus 1/4 pi x plus pi x squared over 8. And I'll distribute my x in to get 5x minus 1/2 x squared minus 1/4 pi x squared plus pi eighths x squared. And I'll clean it up a little bit. I'll write this as 5x plus the quantity pi eighths minus pi fourths minus 1/2 x squared. I suppose I could clean this up even more with a common denominator. This would be pi eighths minus 2/8. So this would be negative pi minus 4 over 8 x squared. A maximum of the area is going to be related to the derivative, which in this case would be 5 plus negative pi minus 4 over 4 times x. And this maximum will occur when this is equal to 0. When I solve this for x, I would find that x would equal negative 5 over negative pi minus 4 over 4, which will simplify to negative 20 over negative pi minus 4, which will simplify to 20 over pi plus 4. And with a little bit of sign analysis, I will find that at 20 over pi plus 4, the derivative changes from positive to negative, which means that's a maximizing value. So now I know both the diameter of my circle and the width of my window. And if I want to know what y is, I have to substitute back here, and I can find that y, messy as it'll be, will be equal to 5 minus 1/2 times 20 over pi plus 4 minus 1/4 pi, also times 20 over pi plus 4. And from here it's just a cleaning up issue. This would be 5 plus negative 20 over 2 pi plus 4 plus negative 5 pi over pi plus 4. And I'm just going to leave it at this, but I'll find that this is about 1.4002. And if you want to clean that up, feel free.